this is my robot critter. It's a remote control toy, but when you add the Bots Alive smartphone kit, it comes to life with artificial intelligence. These robots explore, forge, and avoid unpleasant obstacles. They can hesitate and make mistakes. And you can teach them, improving their skills. One kit can bring 2 robots to life so they have a friend to play with. This ain't some good old-fashioned AI. This is the new stuff, born from MIT Robot Magic. It's organic and unexpected. With these little guys, you may never see the same thing twice.
We packed a lot into these. The Bots Alive smartphone kit brings cutting-edge AI, computer vision, and robotics together in a new way. We hope that it will entertain you and fascinate you, and that it will also inspire kids to learn about the engineering that makes these things work. Our team designed Bots Alive to make affordable and compelling robot creatures for you, and we can't wait for you to have them. We're deeply grateful for your support. Thank you.
This is Leah. 2 minutes and she's out. But you've been trying for 2 hours. I'm sure you've tried every trick in the book. Like trying to stop thinking, stop crap, I thought. Or trying to relax. Oh! It's not that these techniques are useless. In fact, they're actually pretty good. Unfortunately, you probably had more important things to learn at school. This here is Hishram. Relaxing fast is his thing. Just look. He focuses on his breathing, and he progressively slows it down. And by slowing his breathing, all the way down to about 6 breaths a minute, he stimulates the baroflex, a physiological mechanism that allows him to become completely calm in just a few minutes. And when it comes to not thinking, he's pretty good at that too. He can concentrate on his breathing for a really long time and remain undistracted by buzzing thoughts. But you are not Hishram. Even in bed, you struggle to focus on your breath for more than 20 seconds at a time. Actually, your attention span is probably more like Bob's than Hishram's. That's why we've designed Dodo. It helps you fall asleep by making you almost as chill as Hishram. I'll have one of those. You synchronize your breathing with the light projected on the ceiling. By focusing on something outside your own head, you'll pay less attention to the thoughts that are keeping you awake. At the same time, just like a metronome, Dodo helps slow down your breathing from 11 to 6 breaths a minute, which helps relieve your anxiety. And so, in less than 8 minutes, you'll find yourself ready to doze off. Dodo won't turn you into a Buddhist monk, but it will help you fall asleep faster. And that's probably all you need.
Introducing Laser X. It's the ultimate high-tech game of tag. Select Team Red or Blue, or go rogue and blast anyone. With an unlimited number of players, you can play one-on-one or take on the whole neighborhood. You'll get pinpoint accuracy up to 200 feet. The vests count your hits,
This is your last hit.
and the blaster's power indicator shows you when to reload.
Get moving.
And the interactive voice coach keeps you focused on the game.
You're out.
Laser X inside or out, day or night. It's like a laser arena right in your backyard. You can get your Laser X gear for 2 players for $49.99. Plus, we'll give you free shipping. With 2 receiver vests and 2 blasters, it comes with everything you need to equip 2 players. You can check it out at getlaserx.com. Batteries not included. Must be 18 years or older to order. Laser X, the real-life laser gaming experience.